atoms are acidic. Have you heard the word atomic and acidic? The question is, are atoms acidic? The answer is, atoms themselves are not inherently acidic. Acidity refers to the ability of a substance to donate protons, which is the positive ions of hydrogen in a chemical reaction. The acidity is typically associated with specific molecules or compounds rather than individual atoms. Take note of that. In substances that are considered acidic, such as hydrochloric acid HCl or sulfuric acid H2SO4, the acidic properties come from the arrangement and interactions of the atoms within the molecules. For example, in sulfuric acid, the acidity comes from the ability of the sulfur atom to donate protons. It is very important to note that the acidic or basic properties of a substance depends on the overall chemical structure and composition of the molecules, not on individual atoms instead. So atoms themselves serve as the building blocks of matter. They do not exhibit acidity or basicity on their own. Take note of that. So what are the differences between atoms and acids? Atoms and acids are two different concepts in chemistry, each with their own characteristics and properties. Let's look at their differences. Number one, by definition, they are different. Atom is defined as a basic unit of matter that consists of a nucleus containing protons and neutrons surrounded by electrons. Atoms combine to form molecules and compounds. But acid is a substance that can donate protons, which is the positive ions of hydrogen in a chemical reaction. So acids are characterized by their sour taste, number one, ability to turn litmus paper red, number two, an ability to react with bases to form salt and water as number three triune components. Number two, the differences between atoms and acid can be seen in the compositions. Atoms are composed of subatomic particles, including protons, neutrons, and electrons. The number of protons in the nucleus determines the atomic number of an element, while acids are chemical compounds composed of elements such as hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, and others. So acids contain hydrogen atoms that can be donated as protons. Take note of that. Number three, by function, acid is different from atom. Atoms are building blocks of matter and combine to form elements and compounds. They play a fundamental role in chemical reactions and the formations of molecules, while acids are substances that can donate protons in chemical reactions. So they are commonly used in industry, research, and everyday household products. Conclusively, we can say that atoms are fundamental units of matter, while acids are specific types of chemical compounds with distinct properties and behavior. While atoms are the building blocks of everything around us, acids are a subset of chemical compounds that exhibit certain acidic properties. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.